Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a clear first impression. Update your avatar and concise bio, then add contact details so maintainers can reach you. Next, pin 3 repositories that showcase different strengths. Each must include a focused README, a short demo GIF, and a license. Once done, create a profile README that states what you build and what help you accept. This orients visitors immediately and drives engagement toward the projects you want noticed. You now focus on the repository experience. Craft a README that opens with a one-line purpose, then set up steps, usage examples, and screenshots or GIFs. After that, add contributing and code of conduct files plus issue and PR templates to lower friction for contributors. Make sure to include CI badges, automated tests, and meaningful commit messages. These signal reliability. Once complete, tag topics and create clear release notes. You finish by promoting and sustaining momentum. Write release notes, post demos on social, and link the repo from your portfolio or website. Then set up automation for releases, schedule routine maintenance, and triage issues weekly to keep contributions flowing. If something breaks, reproduce the bug locally, inspect CI logs for errors, and if necessary, revert the bad commit or ship a patch. Document the fix in the PR and change log. This ensures your GitHub presence stays attractive and trustworthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.